This is the Carthago S Plus i61 XL LE motorhome. This will give you very little change from €250,000. On a 6.7 ton basis, you can get 2.4 tons of payload, just about. It is 860 centimetres long and also rather elegant. I'm sure you'd agree. Right, so obviously something like this is largely made to order. So if you didn't like the way something looked, such as the bed up front, then they would take it out for you. At the back, we have the German layout, which is indicated by the LE, and you've got storage under the beds, storage all the way around the bed, and indeed this here, the steps up, will very conveniently move in and out, and you'll have a cushion to put in there to make the bed bigger. In the washroom, you have an enormous dressing room. Look how big it is. So with the toilet here, you've got a wardrobe in here and an enormous shower as well. The shower has been changed for the 2022 season. Coming out, you've got a rather large kitchen, storage, and on the other side an oven and a large freezer fridge. Storage all the way through the double floor, and here this rather elegant lounge as well. Table can be made bigger if required. The floor isn't flat, as there's a step up there. Another feature is this security door, which has also been introduced for the 2022 season, with 3 reinforced hinges and all sorts of other safety devices, including central locking throughout, which will affect all the flaps and hatches on the vehicle, not just the passenger door and the doors and the habitation door. So I have done a video showing this vehicle in more detail. If you're interested, please have a look at that if you want to know more about it. So thanks for watching, and that was under 3 minutes in length.